Hello, good afternoon, all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you for Class 6 Mathematics, Chapter 3, HCF and LCM, Part 3. In first part, we have understood about listing of factors for HCF and listing of multiple for LCM. In this method, we are going to understand about two more methods of finding HCF and LCM. So let's start. HCF, highest common factor. Number one method, prime factorization. For that I have taken one example, 48, 198. Here we are going to divide each number with prime numbers only, but we have to keep in mind that when we divide a number with prime number, there should not be any remainder. So here it is, 48 is divided by 2 and 24 is the quotient, but no remainder is there. Again 24 is divisible by 2, 12, no remainder is there, completely divided. 12 is divided by 2, 6 is there, 6 is divided by 2, 3 is there, but now 3 is not divisible by 2, so next prime number is 3. 3 is divisible by 3, 1 is there. Same is here, 198 divided by 2, 99, but now 99 is not divisible by 2, so let's check by 3. It is divisible by 3. Here is 33, then 33 is divisible by again 3, here is 11. Now in between 5 and 7 also are prime numbers, but 11 is not divisible by these. 11 is divisible by 11 because it is also a prime number. Prime factors of 48, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. These numbers are written. Now prime factors of 198, 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 11. Here we can see that 2 is common in both sides. Here 3 is common both sides. So only these number will be selected. HCF equal 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. So HCF is 6. Now long division method. For that I have used this same example, 48 and 198. Now larger number is divided by 48. Now 48 4s are 192. Now 6 is here remainder. Now this 48 is divided by the remainder 6. 6 8 is a 48. Now this is completely divisible. Now HCF of 48 and 198 is 6. Now we are to understand the LCM, least common multiple. For that I have taken 54 and 70. Prime factorization method is going to be applied as like HCF, but the major difference you can see the division I have planned here. Now prime factors, now collection of the factors. Now 2 is common here, so 2 is here, but now if we are finding LCM, if we are finding HCF, so 2 is the HCF, but in LCM we are going to collect the remaining factors also. Here is 3, here multiply 3 multiply 3, and here is 5 multiply 7. So when we multiply all these, this is 1890. Now common division method. For that I have taken one example, 36, 48 and 140. This is called common division method. So we are going to divide commonly. Now in this, if any number is divisible by a prime number, we are going to divide this. Here it is, 36 is 48 and 140. All three numbers are divided by 2. Here it is 18, here 24, here is 70. Again divide by 2, 9, 12, 35. Again divide by 2, because 9 and 35 are not divisible by 2, but 12 is divisible by 2. So these two will be same, but this will be divided by 2 only. Here it is 6, same, 6 will be divided by 2. Other numbers will be remain same. Now no number is divisible by 2, so let's check by 3. Here is 9 and 3 divisible by 3, so here 3 and 35 is not divisible, so it will remain same. Again 3 is divisible by, so same method will be followed, but 35 will be remain same. Now next prime number is 5, so let's check. 5 7 ja 35. Here again 7 1 ja. Now these are the numbers, or we are going to collect LCM of 36, 48 and 140. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7, 5040. This is the LCM. One more important formula: relation between two numbers and their HCF and LCM. Product of the given numbers equal to HCF and LCM of the given number. For that I have solved two examples. You can pause them and try to solve. These examples are used from your book. Exercise number is also written there. Again, thank you. Have a nice day.